your presentations. Yes. Anyone? Are you ready? No issue. No one? No one is ready? I'm not asking to present now, but how many of you prepare?
Ma'am, your voice is not audible. We are not able to hear you what you're asking.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You are not audible.
Now it is audible.
Yes.
Yeah, but in between voice breaks.
Okay.
What do you ask, ma'am?
Sorry. I'm asking like that. How many of you prepare your presentations? That day we discussed na ki we have completed our unit 1 and you getting unit 1 notes yesterday I've shared.
In email?
Yeah.
We need to check.
Yeah.
No, ma'am, we didn't got.
Okay, today I'll again remind her and you will get it. Okay. So it's easy to make your presentations and activities and all.
We have to prepare PPT presentation.
Yes. PPT presentations.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
So that day we have seen planning. Okay. Have you seen my PPT? Planning?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, yes. So that day we have seen how to make plans and what kind of precautions or not like that precautions, but what changes and how to make a plan, right? So we have seen like that ki first you have to observe or seen like that planning is a goal oriented, right? Then it's give a prime functions, okay, priority, it's an priority for you. Then all departments and level wherever you go, any kind of work comes in your mind, before that you make a plan. Okay, for example, today you are too much busy and your parents said like that ki, come on, we need to go for any outside or some dinner or some lunch. So you said like that ki no, no papa, no mama, I'm busy, I have a study and lot. So he said ki no, no, it's come on, just for change you have to go. So you means you think like that ki if I went there, what happened? 1 hour is spent, 1 and 2 hours spent. But sometimes it's required. Okay, you just make like that ki no issue. I will slept late night. Okay, so that kind is most important. Is that kind of plan is also because of family's happiness, your happiness, right? So mental exercise when you are frustrated and all, so that time you required mental exercise, some meditations and some okay, let me tell how many of you change your lifestyle like that, whatever we have discussed every day you have to wake up early in the morning, make a plan. How many of you do it? Have you changed yourself कि just like that you listen lectures and वो कहावत है ना, एक कान से सुनना एक कान से छोड़ देना, ऐसे है क्या आप में से कोई? Means I feel like that कि whatever I am teaching to you, you follow it. Because you are my students, I feel like that कि as a students you want to you change yourself day by day, slowly, right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good girl. So no one is follow the rules and making a plans and all. No one. Okay. After finish this lecture now, I will show my Excel. Okay. From how many years I have make a plan? Last 2008, 2009 since I have practiced. So remind me when I finish this lecture. Okay. So after that judgment, you judge yourself. If you do mistake, you judge yourself. Okay. If you are doing something else, you judge yourself. It is right or wrong. It's going, what is going with you and others. So judge yourself. Check yourself. Cross yourself. Before go to bed, you just realize like that today I have made these points or make these plans. Is it fulfilled or not? If it is not fulfilled, then you think about what is the consequences and why it's not fulfilled. You have to think about it. Take priority. Feel like that ki, oh my god, here I waste a lot of time. If I focus on that priority or functions or whatever the activity, definitely I completed it. Okay, judge yourself. Feel like that ki, yes, you feel you are too much active person and want to achieve everything 2-3 years, and if you waste your time like that, so how you achieve your goal? Got it? So judge yourself. Continuous process, thinking, working, hardworking, completing your activity, always just like that. It's a continuous process. Don't stop, continue. Start it. I'll give the example like that. Sun, every morning, early in the morning when we wake up, we have and go outside, so we have seen the sun, है? So every day, not only day, year after year, he never changed his activity to wake up early in the morning and wake up all people. So when he didn't change his self, so why you? If he doing his activity on time without mistake, then why you not? Right? So think like that. Involve choices. That day we have said ki you have to always involve your choices, change your choices. That day we said ki, okay, you're getting bored to read Fundamental of Management, then you have choice to read something else. You just spend time some activity, you spend time some PPT, you spend time to present yourself in the front of the people. Okay, so change, but don't go or distract of your studies and other things. Got it? Forward looking, always forward looking. Yes, check, cross every time. Always forward looking. Yes, I want to do. Yes, this is, and just press your mind, push your mind. Yes, learning every day, whatever the plans you make, you just repeat it 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Observe that yes, 2 activities done, 3 activity done, 4 activity done, 5 remain, 4 remain. Got it? Flexible. Always be flexible. Always be happy, creative, innovative. Feel like happy, and you have to do lots of things to make happy yourself. Always. Don't be frustrated. A lot of people said in the means you are maybe on 2023 3 or 25th like that, okay, all of you, and you feel like that, you said like that, oh my god, मैं बहुत frustrated हूँ, जो बहुत tension हो रहा है. Very bad thing. Guys, you have at just the age of like that the startup, okay, the competitive age, and don't say like that. Don't use that kind of words. I know why you use that kind of word, because you follow others. When you are working, there people are saying like that. They use that kind of words. That's why you say it, right? But don't make and don't do copy to others. वो कर रहा है इसलिए आप कर रहे हो ना? No, no. You have to create yourself something unique, something new. So people watch you, people observe you, and people follow you. Right? Have you seen next PPT, advantages of planning and need of planning?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is need and advantages of planning? It is planning provides directions. Yes, it is correct. Planning provides directions. If you have plans, then you are just doing or focusing on this. And if 1 week, whole week, if you observe that, yes, last week I fulfilled my all goals, all planning. So automatically your direction change, you change, your strategy change. In organization, every organizations are making to earn profit only, right? No one is working for social services and other things, never. They want day to day profit. Got it? So what? In any organization, planning provides direction, means every day, every employee or your boss and your managers are planning and assign the work, and they fulfill the work from you. Right? Every day वो आपको काम देंगे, आपको करना ही है. Anyhow, any kind of frustration is there, any kind of not like that frustrations, but risk factor is more. So वो risk के लिए उनको daily काम करना ही है, आपको भी वो daily. Any kind of technical issues are coming sometimes, but you need to fulfill all things. करना ही है because of planning है. और अगर some work is not completed, so you have to complete it next day, and you given first priority to pending tasks, right? That is. Now planning provides a unifying framework. That's true. He always planning provides a unifying framework. What it is actually? The framework means you have just prepare a chart day by day कि ये ऐसा करना है, इस तरह से करना है, right? Lot of activity आप add कर देते हो उसमें, plannings, है ना? ये करना है, फिर उसके बाद इधर जाना है, किसी से मिलना है, you need to visit someone, you have to do something, lots of things, right? So planning provides a unifying framework. Next, planning is economical, eliminate wastage, right? Whenever you make a plan, it's economical. Don't waste time, we give priority, and whatever the plan you have make, you change it, है ना? Sometimes अगर कोई मीटिंग हो, अगर वो पोस्टपोन हो जाती है तो चेंज हो जाता है प्लान, राइट? तो वो आपको टाइम फ्री मिलता है, या उस टाइम पे आप दूसरी एक्टिविटी कर सकते हो. Lot of time it's happened कि whatever you decide, sometime the plan is changed, sometime plan is postponed, or but don't do cancel. पोस्टपोन कर दीजिए कुछ दिन के लिए या कुछ समय के लिए. You have to postpone, but same thing do again. Eliminate wastage. what it is actually eliminate wastage means don't waste your time, right? Some kind of things are happened कि हम उसी को लेके बैठते हैं, करना है हो ही नहीं रहा है, only waste of time. So just keep inside or outside that and then you have to focus on it. मैंने उस दिन कहा था कि अगर कोई चीज आपकी उस टाइम पे नहीं हो रही है तो change your plan. उसे टाइम चेंज कर दीजिए उसका, है ना? अगर आप वो चीज रोज 10 बजे कर रहे हो, नहीं हो रही है, वो रोज समय ले रही है आपका, 10 बजे भी बैठते हो तो 12, 1, 2 बज जा रहे हैं, नहीं हो रहा है, सो जस्ट चेंज इट, टाइम चेंज कर दीजिए वो काम करने का. सुबह नहीं हो रहा है तो अर्ली मॉर्निंग उठ के करिए या फिर इवनिंग में सोने से पहले करिए, wherever you prefer, right? But don't quit it, you have to complete. Now planning reduces risk of uncertainty, right? Sometimes it's happened कि whatever the अगर रेगुलर आप कर रहे हो, फोकस कर रहे हो, तो ऑब्वियसली आपकी अनसर्टेनिटी जो है वो कम होगी. एंड व्हाट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज लाइक दैट यू यूज टू इट. आपको पता चल गया है अभी कोई भी कॉर्पोरेशंस में या कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में कि you used to 6 month बाद 3 month आज whenever your training is fulfilled then आप used to हो जाते हो कि डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करना है, किस तरह से काम करना है ना, कैसे स्टार्ट करना है, अगर अनदर एक्स्ट्रा असाइनमेंट आ जाता है तो उसे कैसे फोकस करना है, राइट? तो क्या होता है कि आपके रिस्क मतलब slowly you know like that कि you are risk taker and you have fulfilled your work and speed, है ना? आपकी स्पीड इंक्रीज हो रही है. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर कोई पर्सन है जो रिटर्न फाइल कर रहा है, फर्स्ट टाइम जब उसने ज्वाइन किया था तो ही इज अ फ्रेशर, ही डोंट नो हाउ टू what is actual the software, there's some there is some criteria, there is some time limit and all. So slowly he learned and after 1 year or 6 to 7 months he know the things and 1 to 2 years he expert how to file returns. Okay, so आपकी स्पीड भी बढ़ जाती है, आपको वो सारी चीजों का नॉलेज आ जाता है. अगर डाटा एंट्री ऑपरेटर भी है तो वो शुरू में आज के दिन उसने 4 ही एंट्री करी होगी, बहुत टाइम लगा होगा, उसे पता ही नहीं था कहाँ करना है, कौन सा डेबिट कौन सा क्रेडिट. बट नाउ 100 एंट्री वो एक दिन में कर लेता है ना? सो दैट इज द चेंज, दैट इज द, आपने जो रिड्यूस था वो टाइम क्या कर लिया, आपने ऑब्जर्व कर लिया और स्पीड बढ़ा दी और काम कर रहे हो फास्ट. सो दैट इज reduce risk uncertainty. Now planning establish objectives or standards that facilitate control. Yes, every day you fulfill your objectives, right? कि ये करना है, इस तरह से करना है, and you fulfill your objectives. Then standards that facilitate control, and automatically you have to control your work, you maintain standard, perfection of work, don't do mistakes. Okay, planning like that particular things. Okay, so that is now you busy because of you have to do MBA and your office also, but first priority you have given in your office work, right? So that is the standards and control, means you have managed, you feel like that कि yes you manage, that is a good thing कि ऑफिस के साथ साथ जॉब के साथ साथ आप पढ़ाई भी कर रहे हो. इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग, यू ऑल आर वेरी वंडरफुल गाइज and you manage, you control everything. But sometimes आपको लगता है कि नहीं कहीं तो भी कुछ तो भी गड़बड़ है, right? Yes, sorry to interrupt you but I am telling you today is last date for examination. Okay, exam form. So a lot of people are not submitting their documents like gap certificate and migrations. Okay, so just visit college today and submit your all documents and all and fill your examination forms. Yesterday I'm calling lot of people and they said ki their gap certificates and migrations are not coming. So just putting the mail like when you have getting the certificates and contact Sachin sir. Okay. Now, yes, planning facilitate decision making and different alternatives. Yes, plannings give us lots of alternatives. बहुत सारे alternatives देते हैं. जैसे organization में you are working and you are you focus your balance sheets and some any others and 2 or 3 more people are working with you under you. So you just assign the work some others, है ना? You just distribute your work to others. Yes, sir, I'm busy. I have no time to do this. So please help me or please cooperate me to complete the same task or same things. And the people, yes, they will help you. So what happened? Means that time you feel like that you have a lot of work and you realize you are not completed on time, so you decide to allot the work with your colleagues. So that is a good decision because you have target and you have to fulfill target on timeline, on deadline, right? And for that you assign work, you take decisions that yes, you have to fulfill it on time. So that is the important, and decision making is important, helpful to you, and you have a choices, you have a lot of alternatives. Now planning encourages innovation and creativity. Yes, if you are innovative, if it's important, innovative, creative, it's really helpful to you. Sometimes you just chilled out, sometimes you do like that you feel like that you're getting bored to do same thing again and again, so definitely you feel like that yes, you need to change and do something creative, do something. Lot of organizations, you know what happened, they provided lot of trainings, lot of workshops to their employees, some outside visits also because of fresh ups to all of them. And that time you just do something like that, whatever you have and any skills you have you show in front of them. Okay, so innovative and creative is most important. Don't be frustrated, don't be disturbed, confused. Okay, that is the need and advantages of planning. Now, short term and long term plans, have you seen this PPT or page? Short term and long term plans, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what it is short term and long term plans? Short term plans are plans that cover less than 1 year. Okay, for example, you are in MBA and now first SEM is going on, right? So you have to make a plans like that ki, now we fill your exam forms. Okay, so you have to prepare studies because it's a short term now, because it's a semester pattern, only 6 months you have, not only 6 months, because next month or month of March maybe your exams are going, right? So it's a really short time you have, and it's a really difficult time also because March ending is coming. So a lot of organizations started their work and started late night sittings, lots of works to their employees and all, and you have to manage everything, study plus your work pressure. Got it? So short-term plans are plans that cover less than 1 year. So, for example, the planning of investment, some kind of work, if you have joined some any other classes like that, any courses, it's a short-term courses, 6 months courses, 3 months courses, 8 month courses. So that is a short-term courses or short-term plans you have to achieve in your life. So that is short-term. And long-term plans are plans that extend beyond 5 years. Okay, you have decided ki now you have joined this organization and still 5 years you are working here only, and you learn lot of things, and whatever you learn you just note down your diary ki yes, one day what we learn, or 1 month what we learn, or this year what we learn. And after 5 years when you are learn everything and you feel like that ki yes, now I am able to join as a director, join as a manager to any organization. Yes, these organizations is give you an opportunity. That is good, but if you don't get opportunity to make a manager, so you have to change it and you have to search others, right? So that is long term plans. Some investment plans is long term, like LICs, some mutual funds, a lot of things you have to fixed deposits, right? So that is a long term, 10 years, 20 years, 5 years. That is long term. It's more than 5 years. It's long term, and within a year or less than 1 year, it's a short term goal. You have to improve yourself. You have to improve your communications, your fluency. मीन्स बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी है जो आप शॉर्ट टर्म में ही अचीव कर लेते हो, बहुत सारी लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स. ठीक है? सो शॉर्ट टर्म गोल इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट. Long term is also, but it's a you need to wait a long, right? But get it. Practice makes man perfect, right? So their differences lie in the length of future commitments. Yes, इस तरह से अगर आप सर्वाइव करते हो तो आपकी commitments, whatever you decided, whatever you want to achieve, it's fulfilled. Okay, and the degree of variability organizations face, and आपका जो organizations है, whatever आपको पता हो जाता है, or you know everything, and you face everything happily, you take responsibility, risks happily, and all. Lot of employees I've seen, they have working 20 years as a single organizations, 25 years as a single organizations. Means उनको everything he or her known about this organization, and he never left the organizations because they are happy, and they received all kind of facilities whatever they want, right? सो दैट इज द कमिटमेंट्स. मीन्स आपने कमिट किया कि नहीं, अभी मुझे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन छोड़ना ही नहीं है. आई रियली लव इट बिकॉज एवरी फैसिलिटी आपको कन्वीनियंट है, आपका घर पास है, आपका टाइम स्पेंड हो जाता है, या फिर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस आर गिविंग लॉट्स ऑफ फैसिलिटी टू यू जो आपको अच्छा लग रहा है ना. sometimes people think like that कि money is not important. If you are getting whatever like 50,000 40,000, so you are satisfied, है ना, यार सब तो है, इट्स इनफ फॉर मी सर्वाइव के लिए. सो ऐसे भी लोग हैं जो ये सब सोचते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट. Okay, so here our short term and long term plans are finished. Anyone want to ask questions regarding this? No one want to ask? Please come on. No one want to ask? Have you seen this PPT? Yeah. So goals and plans. Sorry. What is goal? a desired future state that the organization attempt to realize. It's a organization goal, like a desired future state that the organization attempts to realize. Right? Means you realized whatever you attempt, what efforts you have to do it, and you fulfill or not. Every day you have to think about it. Obviously, जैसे पर्सनली आप सोचते हो तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मैनेजमेंट ऑल्सो थिंक and management also make a plans for organizations, their employees, right? Now plan is a blueprint specifying the resource allocation, schedules, and other action necessary for attaining goals. Organization is also making some plans to allocations, schedules, and attaining all goals within and whatever the provided resources. If you have an good resources, for example, and some manufacturing company, उन्हें कोई प्रोडक्ट करना है और सारे रिसोर्सेस अवेलेबल है, मीन्स वो एवरीडे अचीव देयर प्लान, मीन्स 100 प्रोडक्ट जो आप या कंपनी का टारगेट है, दे एवरीडे मेक इट, राइट? They prepare every day because of every kind of resources available. मान लीजिए मशीन खराब हो गई, तो कुछ पार्ट खराब हो गया, तो 100 प्रोडक्ट मिल ही नहीं रहे, मतलब वन वीक हो गया और कुछ हुआ ही नहीं, मशीन्स का पार्ट ही चेंज नहीं हुआ, तो वीक के हिसाब से 700 प्रोडक्ट्स बने ही नहीं, है ना? तो इस तरह का नहीं होना चाहिए. ऑलवेज रिसोर्सेस जो भी है उसका टाइम पे यूज करना चाहिए और उसका कैपेसिटी के हिसाब से ही काम करना है, ज्यादा नहीं करना है. So a blueprint specify the resource allocation, schedule and the action necessary for attaining goal. अगर आपको अचीव करना है गोल को, तो डेली बेसिस पे उसे उतना ही यूज करिए, उतना ही मेक करिए. आपने वो स्टोरी सुनी होंगी ना, लाइक दैट गोल्डन एग का स्टोरी सुना है क्या? Yes or no? Am I audible to all of you? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. तो गोल्डन एग का स्टोरी सुना है ना? So वैसे ही फॉलो करना है. एक दिन में नहीं होगा, है ना? स्लोली एक दिन का एक गोल करिए और उसे अचीव करिए. तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का भी टारगेट वही होता है. Why they file their returns on time? Why they prepare their balance sheets on time? Because of they attain their goal be specifically, right? Now planning is considered the most fundamental functions. अगर आपको फंडामेंटल मैनेजमेंट पता चल गया, तो एवरी डे एवरी टाइम you prepare fundamental things and you are ready to take an actions because you are used to do this, you know क्या करना है, right? और उसमें हम चेंज नहीं करते हैं. एक बार हम यूज टू हो गए, जैसे अर्ली मॉर्निंग उठना ही है, 6 बजे उठना ही है, तो आपने डिसिप्लिन बना लिया कि रोज आप 6 बजे उठते ही हो, एक्टिविटी फिनिश्ड करते ही हो, 10 बजे बिल्कुल टाइम और बिफोर 5 और 10 टाइम्स आप ऑफिस रीच करते ही हो. सो यूज टू इट, आप उसे चेंज नहीं कर सकते हो, राइट? सो दैट इज planning is the most controversial management function. Yes, not only personal, it's organizations, it's a controversial management functions because उसके बगैर भी कुछ नहीं होगा. प्लानिंग करना ही है, थिंकिंग करना है, डिसीजंस लेना है, एवरीथिंग डिस्कस करना है एंड ऑल. So planning is most important. Next, levels of goals and plans. Here is some levels and some goals of plan, like top level, middle level, low level. So this is the pyramid. You have seen like that. This is the pyramid. and start from here, like that operational goals plans, lower management and departments individual. We have seen like that. तो इस तरह से जो ऑपरेशनल होता है, लेबर वर्क्स होता है, या उन लोग को प्लानिंग किया, उन लोग को प्लान्स दिए जाते हैं, उनका टारगेट होता है, उसमें दिन में वो अचीव कर लेते हैं, इट्स अ लोअर लेवल. इट्स इंडिविजुअल भी हो सकता है, डिपार्टमेंट वाइज भी हो सकता है. आफ्टर दैट टेक्निकल गोल्स, राइट. जैसे आपने सिविल इंजीनियर को देखा होगा कि अगर उसे कुछ करना है ना, घर वगैरह बनाना है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तो वो क्या करेगा, जहां पे भी जगह है वहां पे वो सर्वे करेगा, वो देखेगा कि जगह कैसी है, क्या है, वो सैंक्शन है कि नहीं, एवरीथिंग. फिर वो उसमें डिग करके उसका वो सब जो है बेस बनाएगा, है ना, फाउंडेशन बनाएगा. फिर वो मतलब, और फाउंडेशंस के लिए लेबर वर्क तो बहुत लगता है ना. वो बेस प्रिपेयर करेगा एंड आफ्टर बेस वो फिर उसका डिजाइन जो है, स्ट्रक्चर जो है, कहाँ कैसे क्या बनाना है वो बनाएगा. सो सेम थिंग फॉलो द ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. बेस एंड फाउंडेशन इज मोस्ट important. Technical goals, plans, middle management, major divisions and functions. So any kind of technical goals, any kind of technical plans are prepared. Middle management, lot of technicians available or required to fulfill that plans. Major divisions, बहुत सारे divisions होते हैं, बहुत सबको काम दिया जाता है कि for that work you have to full this. ओके. इंटरनल मैसेज क्या होता है कि लेजिटिमेसी होनी चाहिए, मोटिवेशन होनी चाहिए, उसके लिए गाइड करना है, रैशनल थिंग्स होनी चाहिए एंड स्टैंडर्ड भी मेंटेन करना है. ओके. सो दैट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कि मिडिल मैनेजमेंट आर फुलफिल दोज थिंग्स regarding technical to achieve technical goals. Next, strategic goals, plans, senior management and organization as a whole. Yes, strategic plan. Okay, so it's senior management, those who are working in organizations and they have fulfilled like that कि ये सबमिशन होना चाहिए, इसका बजट डेली बनना चाहिए, फंड फ्लो डेली बनना चाहिए. ओके. मार्केटिंग पीपल है तो एवरीडे फ्लो चार्ट होना चाहिए, हाउ मच दे visiting the customers, okay, how much product they are sales, everything. HR है तो how many interview they have conducted, how many people they are hired, what kind of tasks they have given to people, that kind of work is there. Production company है तो everyday कैसा हो रहा है, weekly क्या हो रहा है, everything they have managed and attain everything day by day or weekly basis or monthly basis. Every kind of reports prepare, every kind of functions they have prepared, filling returns on time, managed times and everything they have fulfilled. And last is mission statement. So top management, they have checked everything and fill like that statements like balance sheets, some kind of all. And this is external message as legitimacy for investors, customers, suppliers and community, right? So this is the things we have to collect from our customers, suppliers, है ना? Reconciliation statement, branch reconciliations, debtors reconciliations, lot of things we have to prepare. If your primary stage are done very well, then final things are easily finished on time. So that is the levels of goals and plans. If आपको भी ऐसी तरह से आपके प्लानिंग्स एंड गोल्स को बनाना है ताकि आप क्या कर सको, उसे टाइम पे अचीव कर सको, टाइम पे उसे फुलफिल कर सको. दैट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट. नेक्स्ट, just read this, what it is actually. Just read. Have you seen goals and plan purpose?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, ready. Yes. From tomorrow we have started our goals and plan purpose. Okay. Now I have seen you my work. Okay, when I was starting and how I maintain Excels, what is how I make my goals and how I fulfill it. So I know a lot of people are excited. आपको ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि मैम तो ऐसे ही फेंक रही है, ऐसे ही बोल रही है. Never. ठीक है, जस्ट चेक इट कि मैंने किस तरह से अपने प्लान्स को, सारी एक्टिविटीज को अपने एक्सेल शीट्स में बना के रखा है, जो मुझे एवरीडे इंस्पायर करती है कि यस यू हैव टू डू इट, यू हैव टू मेक इट. बिफोर गो टू स्लीप आई रियली note down it ki what I achieved this week, what I achieved this month. Okay, so are you excited to see this or not? Have you seen this Excel? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so this is my Excel which I have maintained last 2001. First I have just making some my phone numbers, my all colleagues, everyone where जिनसे भी मैं मिली हूँ लाइफ में, क्योंकि फोन का तो कोई भरोसा नहीं, कभी भी कुछ भी हो जाता है. सो आई मेंटेन एवरीवन्स नंबर इन एक्सेल. कभी कुछ हो जाए तो मेरे पास ये नंबर्स होने चाहिए. इट डजंट मैटर इफ दे चेंज, बट आई हैव n number of list of phones. Okay, then my budget is here. Whatever I क्या क्या करना है मुझे, मैं सारा एक्सेल पे नोट डाउन करती हूँ और उसे हाईलाइट करके रखती हूँ. मंथली बजट, एवरी मंथ में मेरा बजट होता है, किसे क्या करना है, किसे क्या देना है, क्या पेमेंट करना है, क्या नहीं. एवरी टाइम वॉट एवर द इन्वेस्टमेंट वेयर आई इन्वेस्टेड एंड ऑल, कैसा होना चाहिए, कैसे फोकस होना चाहिए, दैट इज एवरी टाइम. जहां पे भी मैं जाती हूँ, ट्रैवलिंग करती हूँ, आई मेंशन कि कहाँ कहाँ गई हूँ, कितना एक्सपेंसेस हुआ है, एवरीथिंग. दिस इज माय गोल. Whatever I achieve, every time I mention and highlighted it. Yes, this one is completed, this one is not. Okay, that is now some kind of list and all, and this is the goal which I have achieved 2020. Some books I have read it, and whatever I clear, whatever I achieve, everything I mentioned. Okay, now one thing, yeah, this is the books I have read in last year. Okay, some pending work I just mentioned like this, and this is my real work, means when I was started in 2001. Okay, so what I did, what I am doing, everything 2003, 2004, 2005, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, every, so till 20 I have mentioned everything, what I earn and what I expenses. Okay, so everything I just note down in my Excels. Got it?
This is
So
really excellent, ma'am. This is really excellent.
yes,
I
so
just got one idea. There are some apps for storekeepers daily book. So we can develop some one type of app for the individuals. Like
yes, yes,
they have
yes,
mentioned not only the calculations or budgets, but you have here mentioned goals, the books you have read, the books you want to read. So this is really excellent. And I want to ask one question. How you plan or how you note your daily activity? Suppose today you have to do some task at 2 o'clock. So have you note down anywhere?
of course, early morning I have an habit to wake up early morning, 5 o'clock daily. Okay, and when I was wake up, after every 15 minutes I read a book. When I wake up, 15 minutes I read. After that, then go for walking.
What type of books you read? Means it's motivational or it's related to our study?
Any kind of. अभी मैं motivational book नहीं पढ़ती हूँ because I read it lot. I am trying to write my book. I have published my book, and I am trying to publish my second book. Okay, so
Ma'am, what is your first book name?
it's my first book name is yes, it's three words makes you perfect. Okay, so
Okay.
that is it's a motivational book, and now I am trying to write my second book. So
Can we get a PDF copy of?
sure.
Please.
I'll share you. Okay.
Yeah,
It's
okay,
motivational.
yeah.
एंड मैं उसी तरह से प्लान करती हूँ और अर्ली मॉर्निंग में उस पर वर्क कर रही हूँ, फिर अपने एक्टिविटीज में लग जाती हूँ और मुझे क्या क्या करना है सब मेरे माइंड में रहता है, बिकॉज नाउ आई एम एक्सपर्ट. ठीक है, कहीं पे भी मैंने नोट कर लिया एक बार तो वो मेरे दिमाग में रहता है कि आज मुझे कितने बजे क्या क्या करना है.
Okay.
तो यूज टू, बिकॉज ऑफ यूज टू, अब हैबिट बन गई है. एक बार हैबिट बन जाती है तो बार बार आपको उसे रिमाइंड करने की आदत. मैंने उस दिन बोला था ना, ब्रेन को पुश करो. एक बार ब्रेन में वो सारी चीजें एब्जॉर्ब कर ली कि वो ऑटोमेटिकली आपको इंस्ट्रक्शंस देता है कि यस नाउ द टाइम इज डूइंग फॉर लंच, नाउ द टाइम इज गोइंग फॉर वॉक, नाउ द टाइम इज. सो ऑटोमेटिकली इट हैपेंड, ऑटोमेटिकली.
Okay, that's great.
Hmm.
I'll definitely try it.
ट्राई नहीं, स्टार्ट करो.
Yes,
स्टार्ट
ma'am.
करो. ओके.
Yes,
See you
yes.
tomorrow and have a good day. Lot of sessions have today, some 11 a.m. and all. Then
Yes,
you
yes.
have to prepare for SAP 6 to 8 p.m. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, bye. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.